Okay, good morning everyone, most especially to Ma'am Eleanor Galvez, the subject coordinator for English from grade 7 to 12, and of course, one of the grade 10 teachers and our reading coordinator, Ma'am Zoar Acosta, and of course, Sir Crisanto and Sir Alfredo, and our MC for today, Ma'am Julian. So if we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? Research is what I'm doing when I don't know what I'm doing. If you steal from one author, it's plagiarism. If you steal from many authors, that's research. Research is formalized curiosity. Research is creating knowledge. No research without action. No action without research. Research is seeing what everybody else has seen and thinking what nobody else has thought. Research is what I'm doing when I don't know what I'm doing. All the breakthroughs that we have in the world, most especially in the medical field, those are the product of researches. The very reason why we are having this today is for you to value library research. It's only library research. So what you should have mastered are the steps or the rudiments in preparing one. That's why I would love to see you defending your researches and seeing with my own eyes, hearing with my own ears what you have learned in your library research under your English teachers. So this learning of yours will be more valuable when you will enter senior high school, much more when you will go to college, and much more when you will enter the graduate school and the postgrad school. Wow! Napakaganda pala ng research. Buti na lang, nakinig ako noon sa mga English teachers ko. Mali-mali na lang ang aking research ngayon. If math is life, research is also life. Sabi ni Senator